Once again, it's Wednesday, and on Fret Tips, we'll be focusing on one of the most important things that separates mediocre guitarists from great guitarists, and that is string contact. So, what does that mean? Now, string contact is simply how you feel the string, and it is a vital part of your string control and overall level of comfort on the instrument. If you find your fingers slipping off the string while bending, or sliding off while playing legato, or even staying rooted in a single position on the fretboard, playing shorter notes because you don't really have a strong, confident contact with the string. To branch out and navigate the fretboard more freely while constantly maintaining that grip on the string, on the note, on the voice of the instrument, that's contact. There are 3 ways to develop that ease, that confident feel. 3 types of exercises. And the first one is slides. Take a major scale. Here you have the intervals. Whole tone, semitone, whole tone, semitone. And first, simply pick the first note, and preferably with a metronome, practice sliding through the scale notes within a single pick. If the note dies out, repick, but your goal should be trying to slide to each note evenly and smoothly, reaching the upper octave note, repicking, and repeating the process downward. Let's have a look. Next, do this in a grouping of 3, going up 3 notes of the scale, dropping down 1, and scaling up 3 again until you reach the octave note, and repeat the process back down. And finally, to do it in thirds, skipping 1 note of the scale and moving back to the skipped note and skipping again, all the way to the octave note, and mirror that to get back to the starting point, like this. The second exercise is similar. It still deals with slides, but it deals with wider intervals and pushes you a bit more. Now start with the first note of the scale, pick and slide to the next note and return, then pick and slide from the first to the third note and return, and so on, slowly ascending to the final octave note and repeating the process in the other direction. And to make it even more intense, finish with a vibrato to really let that muscle memory sink in and boost your confidence and ease when navigating the fretboard. Check it out. The final exercise is combining slides with bends. Pick the first note and bend the pitch to the second note, then release and slide up, repeating the process up the full octave, and backing down by picking and sliding first, then bending to the pitch of the previous note, and continuing the process towards the starting point of the exercise. Let's have a look. To intensify the exercise, add vibrato to the unbent notes. Now, if you really want to crunch it, add vibrato to the bent note as well. That will slow down the exercise and maximize intensity. Make sure you don't overdo it and give your fingers enough rest and time to develop that muscle memory. Have a look. So, there you have it. These 3 simple exercises will increase your contact with the string, give you a more stable feel, and improve your overall confidence on the instrument. Be sure to try it with whatever scale you're working on at the moment, and don't forget to develop all 4 of your fretting fingers. Well, till the next Fret Tips episode, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and practice. See you next time.